Welcome to another product release. Now this time it is a skin alpha brush and map pack for use on models that need the extra boost in details and hyperrealism. Included here are over 20 alphas, over 20 ZBrush skin brushes, both single and tileable, and 9 tileable normal maps. These include pores, blackheads, milia, moles, and more. The alphas and normal maps can be used in any compatible program, and along with all of this are videos explaining the brushes and how to use them in ZBrush, along with a skin map for better understanding of placement and pore types in different areas. Thank you for all the support thus far, and I will see you in the next one.